Hello, this is Casey from Casey Grandpa Tech, where your geeky grandpa talks tech. Hey, today I'm going to talk to you about ring cams, specifically an indoor ring cam. I already had the Ring doorbell, and I decided I was going to add an outdoor camera over the driveway. Unfortunately, when I put it up, the Wi-Fi signal was too weak and was unable to use it, so I returned it and got this indoor ring cam. Now, they say you can point it outside and record the driveway. And it's very, very tiny, as you can see. We're going to unbox it, take a look at it. But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so I can bring you some more product reviews and other good geeky things. And until next time, let's continue now and look at the product. So I've taken the indoor cam out of the box, and as you can see, it is small. I mean, very, very small, which makes it really fantastic to be able to take it and put it in a window facing outwards or inside the house, whichever you like. I'm just going to take it out of the box here. Very tiny. And then, of course, it comes with your directions and your power supply. And if you want to mount it, screw mount it, it can. As you can see, you take out things, and it's adjustable, so you can set the angle of how you want to do this. And you can screw mount it if you like to. In the back here, we have where you connect to your power supply, and in here you have, if you wanted to use some type of other mount, you have a piece here you pull out and remove that. And here is your setup button. Very simple. They say the setup is actually 5 minutes. It has a QR code in the back here. So I'm going to get that set up and be right back with you. So I plugged in the Ring, and it did talk to me and saying hello. I have the Ring app here. And I'm going to go into it. And I'm going to set up a new device. And it asks you what kind of device you have. In this case, it happens to be a security cam. And it asks you to scan on your unit the code. Found it. And I'm just going to give it a name. In this case, it's going to be driveway. It's searching for the device, as you can see. I'm going to connect to it.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device.
So I had to go in and, again, put my password in. And that was as simple as it was. Now right now you can see, here it is in the house.
Your Ring device is updating its internal software. Please wait for the light to stop flashing before use. This can take a while, so please be patient.
So, as you can see, it's rather simple. Now, there were some complaints about Ring products for a while because of their lack of security. Because unless the person chose a very secure password, it was easy to break in and other people could look at your Ring footage. So Ring has upgraded their security, and now it's a two-step process to sign into your Ring account, which is a good thing. You'll have to put an access code every time you want to review the footage, but that's a really good thing. I had originally the $3 plan, which just covered my Ring doorbell. I increased it to the $10 a month, which allows me to connect all my Ring devices so that should there be motion detected, they will be recorded. And you can adjust all the settings. You tell Ring whether or not it's behind a window or whatever it is. And that will do a fantastic idea. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I hope this quick review of the Ring Cam Indoor meets your needs. And like I say, it's a great idea, okay? I couldn't use the outdoor one, but at the same time, if you live in an apartment building and your car is parked in the parking lot and it's right in front of your apartment, you could put it in the window and you could have it watching your car. So if something happens in the middle of the night, you have footage. And the nice thing about today, with facial recognition and everything, for instance, my son was in the military, and he was at a party and someone stole his wallet, and well, they went to the 7-Eleven and they purchased with his credit card. Well, because he has security clearance, that was a high alert, and immediately it triggered an alarm. They did a facial recognition, found his picture on Facebook, and before that night was through, he was locked up in a federal prison. You see, when you steal a ID of a military personnel, it is considered to be terrorism. At any rate, that's all I have for you now. Hope this has been helpful for you, and till next time, this is KC from KC Grandpa Tech out.